Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is the SXT package. It's going to give you premium alloy wheels, and this one's going to give you all of the goodies. You're going to have all of your power doors, you're going to have your power lift gate, this one definitely has it all. And the Grand Caravan has some of the best seating configurations ever put into a van. I have a complete pictorial of the full seat configurations. You can lay these seats down into the floor. You can flip the front seats into the floor. These things, when they're both flipped down, gives you a ton of cargo area. You got deep wells there. Just a lot of versatility with this van. Of course, you have the push button there to drop the lift gate. Of course, the Caravan is going to give you a ton of room. Those seats will slide forward or backwards. You do have the captain seats here. You can see that you have the leather trimmed interior with the white stitching, looks really good. Armrests for each of those. You do have the climate control for the rear passengers. You do have the vents in the ceiling. And again, a ton of room underneath here. That'll fold up and you can flip the seats down into the floor to give you a completely flat option there. When you have the seats up, you can flip those up and you have a ton of storage, and that does pass through all the way to the other side. You can haul about anything you need to. Since you have all your power options, including your rear vent windows. You have your power seat with lumbar. And again, you do have your leather trim seat with the white stitching throughout. Gives it a really good look. Auto headlamps. You do have cruise control. This one does have your Bluetooth streaming to your premium audio system. This one does have your hard disk drive built in. I think it's 28 gigs of pictures or music that you can store on there. You do have the tri-climate control, driver, passenger, and rear. You can also pass the controls to the rear passengers if you wish to do that. Oversized center console, really nice. You have all the controls to your doors here. And you can lock those out so only you have control of it. You do have the Econ mode, which is going to allow you to maximize your fuel economy. Again, keyless entry. And this one does have remote start. Remote start, really good feature. Just make sure you set your heat or your AC so when you turn it on, it'll be cool or warm or very comfortable when you get in it. You do, of course, have your luggage rack on this one. Very good condition, less than 60,000 miles. I can tell you, if you're looking for a minivan well equipped, you're not going to find a nicer one in this price range. Do not miss this one. Remember, at City Motors, we've got a 6-month, 6,000-mile warranty on all of our cars, and we have no processing fees. That could be a huge deal because we are seeing customers come in that have been cross-shopping and explaining their nightmare stories about processing fees at other dealers. I mean, it is getting out of hand with these fees. Don't fall into the trap of seeing a low price and thinking that's a good deal when you get bombarded with fees after the fact. There are no fees here. And you can call us or text us anytime at 540-433-7335. Don't miss this one. I can tell you, these Grand Caravans equipped like this and in this condition with this mileage, they don't set long. Don't miss it, guys. Get here quick. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.